today we're showing you the spot turn in the rumba.
We're going to show you what not to do and what to do.
So let's get to showing you the mistakes.
And how to fix them.
You want to keep your weight more forward, over the leg. Think chest over ball foot, chest over ball back foot, and to the side. So keeping your weight more forward. Imagine like you're peering over a cliff right here, and then to the side.
When you do the spot turn, do not move that toe from the spot. It stays there. Then you can come through. Step side. Same thing. That won't even go anywhere. Right on the spot. Boom. Nail it.
No swaying. Keep your shoulders more parallel to the ground as you turn. And as you turn, shoulders more parallel to the ground.
Make sure that you stand on straight legs. So you can bend your leg as you move it, then when your weight goes on it, the leg is straight. Leg is straight, and you can bend here. Stand on a straight leg, and stand on a straight leg. Place, and straight.
We want to create clear pictures, long line with the arm and the other one in. As you step on the foot, create a long line with the arm, and then switch your arms and switch your arms. Long line. Other side, same thing. You want to create a clear picture onto the foot and extend the arm. Now, the spot turn is an easy step, but within the easiness, it has also a lot of complexities because of the turning and all the technique and trying to keep your balance. So as you do this, just work layers at a time. Focus on correcting one mistake and building a good habit for each one at a time. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. Just building good habits, one at a time.
What do you have to say, young man, about spot turns?
Easy if you practice it every day, make it a habit. Practice with this video and get it in your body. Get it correct.
Okay.
Yeah!
See you next time! Come on.
Go. What not to do. And let's be serious.
Spot turn in the rumba.
Let's be serious for a second, all right? It's not possible, probably. Hey, no pushing. Spot turn, also known as a switch turn, also known as a thing you do in rumba, also known as a thing you do in cha-cha, also known as a thing that will seduce women if you do it correctly, and also make women run away if you do it wrong. So do it right.
I think you should say that faster.
Okay, we'll do that.
You. Here.
Oh. Do not do it these ways, because if you do, well, you know what happens. Overall, everything will just look like shit.
Yeah.
So we want to de-shit this step for you.